Greetings and welcome everyone back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a lovely and healthy tea. That's going to be bay leaf and cinnamon tea. But before I get into the video, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up like, and stay tuned, and thanks for watching. First of all, bay leaf. What are the health benefits of bay leaf? I'm going to give you some of the health benefit because I have another video coming out which I'll go deeper in the health benefits, because you have over 9 health benefits from the bay leaf, and I'm going to give you a couple of them. Bay leaf is good for digestive system. It's good to take away toxin also from the body, and it's good to treat respiratory condition, and also good to fight against fungal. Also, it's good for inflammation in the body. And cinnamon, as some people may know, some don't know, is full of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and also good for infection. It's good for also to lower your blood sugar, and also it's good for blood pressure. So I'll go into the video and I'll take you through the process. So here I have 1.5 cup of water. I'll put the fire on. So this, I'm gonna bring it to a boil. So I'm going to put a lid on. It'll speed up the process. So this tea, please try it. It's very good for you, very healthy. You can drink it in the morning or before you go to bed or midday, whichever how you like it. I have some more tea coming out very soon. Very healthy, very powerful. I have a special herbs what I want to introduce to you all. Some of you may know it, some may not know it, but it's one of my secret herbs and kind of emergency herbs that packed with amino acid and vitamin C. So I'll take you through the process soon. Soon I'll make a video. Okay, water, it's hot but it's not boiling. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a cinnamon stick and I'm going to drop it in, and I'm going to put roughly about 2 bay leaf. This is very strong. The bay leaf is very strong. The cinnamon is strong. You don't need a lot to make this tea. Cover it and bring it to a boil. Now you can see it's boiling. Look at that. It's boiling. I'm just waiting now until it's boiled properly. When it's boiled properly, you will notice the color of the water. So give it a couple more minutes. Have a look at it. Look at that. Lovely color. Now I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna cover it for about, maybe 1 minute. So now I'm gonna get my tea strainer, put it here, then I'm gonna strain it off. So I'm gonna put it in this. Then this is the lid, so I just put it back on like so. After that, get my teacup, then you pour it in. There's a little spill in there, but don't worry about that. Couple wipes and it's gone. Look at that. Just get a bay leaf. You just add it in the water. So this is what it looked like, folks. That's the finished product. Very nice and healthy tea. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Peace be unto you all.